Hi, my name is Debbie Evran and I'm a brand marketing consultant, and I've been working in the design and advertising industry for about 20 years now, designing everything from brand identities to creative marketing campaigns. But what I'm really passionate about is helping businesses tell the world who they are and what they believe in an authentic and meaningful way. And today I want to kick things off by answering the question, how do I make my brand stand out? This is a question that I get asked a lot by both businesses that are small and also large. So I'm going to sort of just give you kind of 3 simple strategies for you to assess whether your brand is kind of blending in with everyone or whether it's standing out. The first thing is to look at your brand identity. You know, there are businesses, maybe if you've had a brand identity, you've had it a long time. Is it unique? Is it different? I know that the world at the moment, you know, things are changing so quickly and rapidly online. Brands are having to kind of reinvent themselves a lot faster. You know, maybe within 2 years, you have to relook at your brand identity and say, is it relevant to the current market and is it relevant to where you're going? So if you look at your brand identity, then the second thing is to think about the consistency of your branding. So is the marketing, your brand identity, your website, your marketing material, is it consistent? And again, is it consistent? Is the way that you're communicating through those things, is that consistent? And is it compelling enough? That is also something that's really important. You know, it's that whole idea of, is what you're saying the same as everybody else? Or is it different? Is it unique? I mean, the key thing here is really looking for what makes your business different from somebody else. And then I did say 3 things. So the third thing is positioning. So again, it's about looking at where you're positioning your brand in the marketplace. Sometimes a business might get to a point where it realizes in order to move to the next level, you need to kind of basically up your game. You need to sort of elevate everything that you're doing, because maybe the market that you were currently serving and the way that you were promoting yourself within that market was okay, but now you want to take your business to another level. And that's another challenge that I see businesses who, for example, are looking to take their business from one level to basically to the next level, is that the way they maybe marketed themselves and branded themselves in the current level no longer serves them in the next level, only because the next level is a lot more competitive. So those are 3 strategies. So if you enjoyed the strategies that I've shared today, I'm probably, because obviously within each of those 3 concepts, there's obviously a lot of other stuff. So I think in the next couple of videos, I think what I'll do is actually delve deeper into the specifics of like what strategies and ideas that you can do to help your brand, say for example, be more consistent or be more attractive. So if you like the tips that I've shared today, please subscribe to my channel, and obviously you can check me out at debbieevran.com, and also I put my links to my social media channels underneath. Look forward to seeing you the next time. Bye.